Today we're taking a look at a gaming keyboard. So this particular one is from Roccat. This is the Vulcan TKL. Details are in the description below, including purchasing links. So the TKL stands for 10 keyless, meaning the number pad at the side is missing on this keyboard. And the idea being it takes up less space on your desk. There is a full-size version as well, and that will just be called Roccat Vulcan. There's two variants of this keyboard. So there's this one and there's a Pro version. And the key difference between the two is that this one has the mechanical switches and the other one has optical switches. Other than that, both are literally identical. Price-wise, the Pro version is more expensive. So let's take a brief look around the packaging. This keyboard is a British layout and it has the linear switches, which are equivalent to the red switches, so it gives a smooth action and is pretty quiet. Has the Titan switch mechanical linear switches in here. Actuation is 1.4 millimeters, 50 million keystroke life cycle, has integrated settings memory, so you can store settings via the software on the keyboard. The software to use with this is the Roccat Swarm software. Coming over to the back, says competitive form factor, media controls on here. You've got a robust design and patent pending on the key stabilizer technology on here. Then you got fingertips shaped keycaps, onboard tournament profile, advanced anti-ghosting, AMO intelligent lighting engine, and easy shift button duplicator. So let's open it up and see what you get in the packaging. You get a cable to connect the keyboard to your computer, and one end is USB Type-C and the other end is USB Type-A. Rubbery finish on the cable, and you've got their branding just over here. You get a quick installation guide. Coming onto the keyboard, nice compact design to it, and if I come in close you can see it's an aluminium finish on the plate here and then silvery finish going around there. The side view, you can see the keys do protrude up quite a bit. Low profile design on the keyboard itself. Looking underneath, you've got 3 bits of rubber and rubber up here where the feet are, and lifting that up, there's just one stage on this, doesn't go any higher up. You've got the Type-C connector at the back, media controlled in the top corner, and as you're turning the volume control here, there's a slight notch every time you turn it. It's a bit of a tactile feel to it. I'm really impressed at the stability of the keys. So if you see here, wobble is very minimal on there. A lot of keyboards you see quite a bit of wobble. These are very stable. Popping off one of the keycaps, you can see the mechanical switch here. These keycaps are ABS, and over time you may notice some grease on there from regular usage, and as you use them over an extended period of time you may notice a bit of a shine on the keycaps. Build quality of the keyboard does feel really good, a good premium feel to it, and you'd expect that for the price you're paying for this. So it comes in at around £120 in the UK. Let's do a sound test on the keyboard. I've got my sound level meter here if you wanted to get an idea of the sound levels coming from there. Keyboard's connected to my computer now, and just to show the software you have with it, so that's the Roccat Swarm. So if we come over to AMO here, you can get it synchronizing with other Roccat peripherals, and coming back to the Vulcan TKL, you can see the options you have available on there. So general features, sound feedback, reset settings, and character repeat. Key assignment, this is where you can program macros and assign different keys and functions on there. You've got some game profiles at the bottom as well, and then coming on to key illumination. The RGB on here is very impressive, very vivid and easily customizable from the software and even from the keyboard. So if I come over to here, You can see at the moment it's intelligent lighting system. If I go to wave and then apply, there you go, it's on, speed is on maximum. I can take that down, apply that, and there you go. You got function key on here, so you can flip between the different options quickly. So this is snake. And then you've got fully lit, and that's customizable as well, the colors on here. In the app, you've got some standard themes. I'll show that. That's the standard ones you've got. You've got custom over here, and this is where you can pick the different colors for the sections. Coming over to the next one, then we've got heartbeat. Very cool. Then we've got breathing. And then we've got fade FX. If I now press a key, you can see it light up and then fade away. Very nice. And then ripple FX. So if I press a key, you get a ripple effect. Next one is custom mode, and you can customize the keys to your preference. You could even highlight certain keys using for gaming and just have them as a separate color. And that's it, highly customizable. And like I said, the RGB looks great on here. So in summary, the Vulcan TKL is a nice compact keyboard, has a real premium build quality about it. The keys are very good quality, literally no rattle or movement from them. And as you're pressing the keys, has a really smooth feel to it. RGB looks great on here. The keys are raised up so that RGB stands out a bit more on here. The cable on here is removable. So if you're traveling with the keyboard, you know the cable's not going to get damaged. And if you're into coiled cables, you can replace the existing one for one of those. Has onboard tournament storage, so you can have your different profiles saved. You have media control on there as well, which is nice with the volume control. Negatives wise, I didn't like the volume control design. Didn't feel it fitted in with the premium feel and the design of the keyboard. These keycaps are ABS, and over time you may notice some grease on there from regular usage. And as you use them over an extended period of time, you may notice a bit of a shine on the keycaps. Price wise, it comes in at around £120, and I feel the price is justified because the keyboard has a real premium build to it. So there you go, I hope it's helped anyone thinking of purchasing this. Details are in the description below, including purchasing links. Hang around for the end cards, I'll have some more gaming tech. Drop me a like if you've liked this video, as it really does help the channel out. Thanks for viewing, and see you in the next one.